It's going to be a lot of fun for us to play in this tournament because it's against all of the best teams in the competition, and we're coming off some really good games, so I'm feeling really good about it. It definitely gives us motivation, and it's something where we know that we can still grow from that game. So I know that we definitely have not reached our peak of what we can be, so that's the other part about us that's exciting, is we still have so much growth. Absolutely, yeah, no, that's the ultimate goal, to get to the final, but you've got to take every step along the way. So it's going to be the first game we play in the Queen's Cup, and then it's just going to be taking it each game by game. At this point, honestly, I'm focusing on us. I think that's the best way to look at it. The coaches are planning the good defensive scheme for us. We know that we have to play hard. We pride ourselves on our defense, so we're going to come into the game with some tough, hard defense, and then the offense is going to flow. Yeah, I mean, what I'm going to bring is what I try to bring every game. I'm going to try and bring good energy, run the court hard, get some good shots, but also just play good defense as well, and communication. So I'm not going to treat this game as different than any other one, and just bring good basketball. Yeah, no, we're definitely all excited about what we can achieve, for sure. But at this point, we're just going to focus on the first game so that we get to the final. So that's always the best and the smartest way to look at it.
I'm excited. It's always nice to play for something, for Cup, and I know in Spain it's a big thing, Copa de Reina, so I'm excited and waiting for it. I think, yes, after our COVID situation and everything, we have all 12 players, we practiced for a while together, so I think it's good, we are ready, and we still have a few days to prepare, so I think it'll be good. Yeah, they are maybe not in the top in the table, but it's just one game, and one game everything can happen, so we need to play strong and hard and show our best defense and then offense also. But we are not hurrying and rushing. It's like first game, we need to win, we need to play good, and if we win, then we can talk about other game. We practice, we do our job, and we are preparing for first game, and then we will see. I mean, it's just speculations. We need to win 3 games, so I'm happy that we are in Copa, in the tournament, and I hope that we play good and we can get this first title.